Hello! Today we're making blueberry pancakes. Pancakes. It's going to be a lot of fun. So come with me. I'll teach you how to make some great blueberry pancakes that include yogurt in the recipe. We need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, we need 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of lemon zest. Next, you're going to want to mix this until it's all nice and mixed up. In another bowl, you're going to want to get your yogurt out, your Oikos yogurt. Looks like they're running a promotion this week. Going to be some fun. We always recommend the Oikos yogurt when we're doing an Oikos recipe, so go ahead, go try it out. You're going to want 3/4 cups. Now I might be a little bit over, but you can never have too much yogurt, huh? Yum. Alright, next we're going to need 6 tablespoons of milk. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 egg. And 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now I'm poor, so I have to use artificial vanilla, but that's okay. Vanilla extract is apparently better, but I've never really been able to taste the difference. Like with the dry ingredients, we're gonna want to mix this up, making sure we scramble the egg. At this point, it's quite runny, and that's when we add the dry ingredients. And the recipe suggests that you might end up needing just a little bit more milk. And of course, you can't forget to add your blueberries. Now it's time to add some oil to your skillet and put that batter right on there. I gotta say, doing the time lapse of this is surely very satisfying. Just watch those pancakes cook. I've never really been able to see the change that they go through, but when you speed it up, it's pretty magnificent if you ask me. You can tell they're just about ready to flip, and doesn't that just look so beautiful? And I love how the jam from the blueberries comes popping out. It's just like popping a pimple. Ugh. Now you might be wondering what's good to add on top of these pancakes. And that's a hard question to answer because it's a very personal one. You can put just about anything on it, but I decided to put on some more yogurt with the blueberries. Now, you can also add honey, like I did here, but it's really up to you. You could even just use your regular old syrup. All right, I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for coming along with me to make these pancakes, and if you end up cooking them at home, I hope you enjoy. If you like this video and you might want to see more, consider liking the video, maybe subscribing, and check out the other videos on my channel. I have some other recipes, and I think I'll be making some more in the future too. There's also lots of yogurt recommendations, that is, and a lot of other stuff that interests me. Have a good day. Bye.